Shift the CI flow as far left as you want, but stop blocking commits. Hi friends, it's Chris, the coding guy. There's a trend that I've seen at several companies now, and it needs to end. It's blocking a commit due to a local failing check. So things I've seen block a commit: test failures, required package bumps, linting errors, other kinds of non-security related errors, other kinds of non-environment errors. So blocking commits is generally bad hygiene. If you stop someone from committing, then it discourages quick iterations on development. They have to stop and think about whether or not it's safe to commit, go and fiddle with stuff. It slows them down. It limits the ability for people to safely set a last point of working software. There may be a lint error, but that shouldn't stop them from being able to say, this works. I still have work to do, but this works, and so I want to set this as the next safe point. And it encourages developers to do one of the couple following things. Either keep uncommitted code on the machine for way too long, which is super unsafe, or skip checks completely, circumventing the entire desired check system that you had in place anyway. So if you're doing checks, you can run them at push time, or you can trigger that on the remote pipeline. So here are some things that I think you should block a commit for. Environment changes. If someone's changing an environment and they're doing something that would be considered unsafe, that should probably block the commit. Security issues. If they're committing API keys, account credentials, or some other hard-coded security type concern, you should block that commit. Those are the kinds of things where if they make it into a commit, it can actually be a problem for the entire team to deal with and clean up. So, stop blocking commits. Start making your software system a little safer to work in. Until next time, keep coding.